Linking your bank account to Wise Agent is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances efficiently. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Create or log into your Wise Agent account. Visit the Wise Agent website and either create a new account or log into your existing account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, find the section labeled Payment Methods or Bank Accounts. Click on this option to proceed to link your bank account. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number, routing number, and any other required details. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, Wise Agent may require you to verify your account. This could involve confirming small test deposits made to your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be successfully linked to Wise Agent, allowing for seamless transactions and management of your finances.